Hi Divi Friends, I'm Daniel, and today in this tutorial we are going to cover how to migrate a WordPress website from another hosting provider to Divi Friends. Stay tuned for more. Okay, here you can see I am logged into my hosting control panel with Divi Friends. And on the right hand side, I'm logged into the old hosting provider's control panel there. All right, from here, I'm going to scroll down in the Divi Friends control panel and go to WordPress. And I'm going to import an existing install. Since this is with a different provider, I'll choose from a different account. Click Continue. And then here it's going to ask me for some information. Now, thankfully, that's usually provided by your hosting provider, so you can get that in here. I noticed that in this, on the old hosting provider, SSH is disabled, so I won't be able to use the default method here for SSH, but I can come down here to SFTP. Depending on your host, they should support one of these four options, so just look to see if you can determine which one that is. If you have trouble, you can always open up a support ticket with Divi Friends, and we can help you with that. I went ahead and filled in a lot of this stuff, but as you can see here, all I did is I came into the previous hosting provider and I grabbed the information that needs to be plugged in here. I did have to go to SFTP SSH details, and you can open that if you need to copy some of that information and plug that in there. I will say that with this particular hosting provider, Godaddy, you'll see that I do have to put in a path here, which is /home/ whatever your username is /HTML. So that's important. That just basically says, where does this website live on the server from the destination? And so I do have to put that in there. So if you're migrating from Godaddy, you may have to do something similar there. But again, it's just /home/ whatever your username is, and that is over here in your account right there. And then HTML on the end of that. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And then down here I selected the domain that I want to install this into in my Divi Friends account. And then from there I'm going to click Import. As you can see, it is now importing the website. This can take a few seconds, sometimes a few minutes, just depending on how large your website is. And there we have it. The site has now been migrated over. Everything looks great. I see a screenshot of my website there, and I'm now ready to rock and roll. So the only thing that would be left to do is to update your DNS information. And so what I can do here is I can, in my Divi Friends cPanel account, I can see right here that this is the IP address that I want to point my website to, so I can copy that. And then I'm over here and the previous provider's DNS information for the same domain. And you can see right here there's a place, it says it's an A record with this little @ sign there. And it has a value there for the IP address of where it's sending to right now. So I'm going to take a screenshot of that just in case I need to go back to the old number for some reason, but we should be good to go. I'm going to click Edit here, and I'm going to put in the new IP address there. And then I'm going to click Save. And that is all it takes to migrate a website from another hosting provider over to Divi Friends. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you ever have questions or concerns and you are a Divi friend, you can always open up a support ticket with our fantastic team of support folks, and we can help you with migrations as well as many other things, including helping you manage content for your clients' websites or perhaps for your own websites. Hope you have a great day, and thank you for being a Divi friend.